Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. Let's see some beautiful crochet ladies handbag designs model. A crochet ladies handbag is a handbag made by crocheting yarn, cotton cord, raffia, jute or similar materials using a crochet hook. These bags are handmade and can range from casual everyday totes to elegant purchase for special occasions. Common types of crochet handbags. First, tote bags, large and practical for shopping or daily use. Next, shoulder bags, comfortable for everyday wear. Crossbody bags, hands-free and convenient. Clutch bags, small and elegant for parties or events. Boho bags, relaxed artistic styles with tassels and textured stitches. Popular materials, cotton yarn for durability and easy cleaning. T-shirt yarn for a chunky modern look. Raffia yarn for a natural summer-inspired style. Jute yarn for rustic farmhouse and cottage aesthetics. Acrylic yarn for colorful and budget-friendly designs. Crochet handbags are popular for handmade and unique, eco-friendly when made with natural fibers. Customizable in color, size, and pattern. For lightweight yet stylish. Perfect for vintage cottage, farmhouse, and boho-inspired fashion. Design features decorative crochet stitches and textures. Wooden, bamboo, or metal handles. Use floral motifs and granny squares. Also uses tassels, buttons, or bead embellishments. Fabrics lining for extra strength and durability. Styling tips. Pair neutral colored crochet bags with casual outfits for a timeless look. Choose floral or pastel designs for a vintage cottage feel. Use structured handles and a lining for a more polished appearance. Match natural fiber bags with summer dresses and sandals. A well-made crochet handbag combines craftsmanship, practicality, and handmade charm, making it both a useful accessory and a beautiful fashion statement. Here are some creative crochet handbag design tips to make your bags look more unique and professional. First, mix stitch textures. Combine different crochet stitches in one bag, such as bobble stitches for dimension, shell stitches for elegance, basket weave stitches for an open appearance. Add crochet flowers. Decorate the bag with roses, daisies, sunflowers, or tiny wildflowers. Attach them to corners, handles, or flap closures. Use unique handles, chai bamboo handles, wooden rings, leather straps, pearl handles. Special handle can completely change the bag's style. Make a granny square combination. Stitch up identical squares. Use different floral granny squares. Alternate colors. Create a patchwork effect. Make a granny square combination. Stitch up identical squares. Use different floral granny squares. Alternate colors. Create a patchwork effect. Add decorative tassels. Create tassels from matching yarn and attach them to zippers, side corners, and flap closures. Include functional pockets. Add interior phone pockets, small key pockets, and card holders. This makes the bag more practical. Use personalize with details. Crochet or embroider. Use detail letters, names, or small monograms. This gives a handmade boutique feel. Add a signature detail. Develop on a special feature that appears on every bag you make, such as a tiny crochet flower, a heart-shaped charm, a unique border pattern, and handmade label. This helps create your own recognizable crochet style. Here are more creative crochet handbag design tips. Play with shape. Don't limit yourself to rectangular bags. Try round bags, half moon bags, hexagon bags, heart-shaped mini bags. Use color gradients. Choose yarn that gradually changes color or create your own ombre effect from light to dark shades. Add a pretty lining. Use floral, gingham, or vintage-inspired fabric inside the bag to make it look more finished and durable. Create dimensional details. Add crochet bows, leaves, butterflies, small pockets on the outside. These details make the bag stand out. Mix materials. Combine crochet with leather accents, wooden beads, lace trim, and fabric panels. This contrast adds visual interest. Design matching accessories. Create a matching set with coin purse, keychains, phone pouch, or bookmark. Customers often love coordinated items. Focus on neat edged. Use a decorative border stitch around the bag, opening and flap for a polished look. Experiment with closures. Try wooden buttons, magnetic snaps, vintage-style clubs, and drawstrings. Different closures can completely change the bag's character. Add delicate embroidery. After crocheting, embroider tiny flowers, veins, or simple geometric patterns onto the surface. Design for everyday use. Make the base extra sturdy and reinforce straps so the bag remains beautiful and practical. Photograph your design creatively. If you share your bags online, style them with fresh flowers, vintage books, wicker baskets, or wooden tables. This highlights the handmade charm and attract more attention. Add a statement flap. Create a flap with floral motifs, scalloped edged, lace-inspired patterns, and textured stitches. Use layered flowers instead of flat flowers. Make layered 3D flowers for a richer, more luxurious look. Design a decorative base. Use a contrasting colors or special stitch patterns on the bottom of the bag. Add beaded details. Sew small wooden, pearl, or glass beads into selected areas for subtle sparkle. Create a nature theme. Incorporate motifs such as leaves, mushrooms, butterflies, or wildflowers or birds. Use open work panels. Add small lace sections to create an airy, elegant design while keeping the rest of the bag sturdy. Make adjustable straps. Design straps that can be shortened or lengthened for different carrying styles. Highlight the counters. Decorate counters with tassels, flowers, or contrasting stitch patterns. Combine large and small motifs. Mix large granny squares with smaller decorative motifs to create visual interest. Create a signature color combination. Choose a unique palette that becomes part of your personal crochet brand. Add a decorative border. Use peacock, shell, or scallop edging around the bag, opening and flap. Use texture strategically. Place textured stitches only on the front panel to create a focal point. Design a reversible bag. Use attractive stitch patterns and neat finishing on both sides so the bag can be used inside out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!